So in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how you can put your shop on Google Maps. It's a really easy way, and it's going to be done in just the next 5 minutes. Did I say that already? I don't know. And I'm going to show you why you need to do it. So I'm Zane from Zanet Design, and I've been helping businesses for 22 years get themselves up on the web and get their presence known, help them with their branding, and help them get new customers and clients coming to their business online. Now with COVID, people recognise the need for an online business. And it could be that you're one of those people that for a long time have been put off putting your business online. But Google Maps and Google My Business provide a free website. They provide free ways of getting people to give your business a call and enable you to get more customers and clients to your business. So if you've got a shop or a business or a company, you need to get it on Google Maps while it's still free and easy to do. And this tutorial is going to show you exactly how you can do that and the easiest way, in fact 3 ways in which you can do it. But before we jump into showing you how to do it, you may just be asking why? Why do I need to add my shop or my business to Google Maps? Here's a few good reasons why. You may have heard that other businesses are getting a bucket load of traffic through people finding them on Google Maps. Can you live without that traffic? You may have heard that your customers are taking photos of your work and they want to upload it, or they want to write you a review, like a check-in trade review. And depending on the type of shop it is, you can offer vouchers, you can offer coupons, and you can show all sorts of products that you offer for free through Google, and it will come up on Google search results if someone's looking for your type of business. And as many of my subscribers on this channel will know, Google gives you lots of extra freebies like a free website and some marketing tools, even a QR code to help you get more traffic and reviews to your Google My Business listing. And that's what we're going to do. Let's jump straight in and I'll show you how you can put your shop on Google Maps. Into Google Maps, and all you need to do now is just find exactly where it is that your shop is. So I'm just making this up. I'm going to say 45 because it doesn't exist. St. Peter's Road. I've no idea what's there. You right click and then you go add your business. You click on that and it opens up a new page and it wants you to put your business name. And so in this case, I'm making up again a business name. I'm going to pretend that my shop is for a Caesar's Fine Restaurant. So I'm going to call it that. I'll put that in there. And you notice that it gives you an opportunity to see whether it's already been registered. That's the first thing you just need to bear in mind, that someone may have registered it on your behalf as a favour. It's not necessarily a bad thing, but in this case it's not come up, so it's a new business. So create a business with this name and click next, and then you just literally follow through the process. So you need to choose the category. In this case I think it's a fine dining restaurant, but of course if you've got a bike shop, you put bike shop. If you've got a patisserie or you've got a bakery, you do that. So in this case, fine dining restaurant is a category, my main business category. There are other categories. For instance, if you just wanted to type in restaurant, you may find that you get a choice then. Is it a vegan restaurant, a Tuscan restaurant, a taco restaurant? In my case, I'm just for this example going to go fine dining restaurant. Click next. Now this is the most important question. Do you want to add a location customers can visit? Now you are a store or a shop or an office. So in this case, you would want them to come through the front door and visit. Regardless of the situation with COVID, this is under normal circumstances. So you click yes. The reason you put no is, say for instance you're a cleaner and you didn't want to actually have people visiting your place to request cleaning, that you just wanted them to contact you based on the area that you cover, well then you click no. So if you're kind of a service, you click no. If you're a shop or have got a shop front or an office, you would click yes. I'm going to click yes. And now you put in the address. Now you may notice, of course, we did have the map address here anyway, which was, we said 45 St. Peter's Road. Do you also serve customers outside this location? So it might be you do deliveries, you do locations where you perhaps do events for people. So you could yes or no. That really is down to what type of business you've got. I'm going to put no. And now a phone number and a website. You don't have to put the website yet, so you can get a free website, which I've got a video that shows you how to do that. The contact number. So for the contact number, I'm going to put a random number here, and click next. And there you go. That's how easy it is. You've now got Caesar's Fine Dining Restaurant ready to go. And if you click finish, you now go into a process of adding other things like your hours and other things like that. Now, there's a few other ways. The other way is if you go to Google Maps, and instead of clicking with the right click, which we saw earlier, you can go onto the menu and you can then on there add your business. You click that and you're back to this exact situation. Now, there's one other way that you may want to consider, and that is if you want to check to see whether someone's already registered it for you, just go to Google and type in your business name, click search, and simply put, if Caesar's Fine Dine Restaurant that say existed, if it comes up here on the right hand side or shows a map for it, then you know you need to claim it. So I'll give you an example of how that looks. The fact that it's not here means that you can just register it as we've done. So if I was, say, for instance, going to claim my restaurant called Neo Restaurant, then you notice here it's already been claimed. That's because it already exists and I'm not going to claim it. But if this was your business, you can actually request ownership of it. But in this case, this is already owned. And that's how you add a shop to Google My Business and Google Maps. So what will happen is over the next few days, you'll receive a postcard, and all you need to do is just verify it with a certain number that they'll provide. And once you've done that, then you're good to go. And in fact, you'll then find on my channel on YouTube, there are plenty of videos that will show you how you can continue to build the presence, get better rankings, get more inquiries and more customers using your Google Maps listing. So look out for my next video. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that, and click the alert button so that it tells you when that next video is available. But there are probably a few other things you might just be asking at this stage. For example, what happens if you want to edit your Google Maps listing? Maybe you want to change the name of your shop because it's been incorrectly added, or maybe just the address needs tweaking. Well, have a look at this video and I'll show you how you can edit your shop and your business name. So if you want to know how to delete your Google My Business listing, then meet me over on this video.